This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials, install the correct Odin Mcoc build and grant permissions so the app can control inputs. Once done, enable USB debugging or overlay access so automation works reliably. Make sure you back up your game data and confirm your account credentials before proceeding. Then set the in-app resolution to match your device, 16, 9, or 18, 9, so hitboxes align. These initial steps prevent desyncs and let you run the first automated sequence immediately. Now you configure the core routine. Map light, medium, and heavy taps to precise screen coordinates, and assign gesture delays in milliseconds so timings match the game's input window. Calibrate the screen zones with the tester. Adjust sensitivity and dead zones to avoid misfires. Once calibrated, build a routine, select nodes, order them, and add conditional waits and retries to handle animations or lag. You do this to ensure consistency because small timing errors cause failed combos and wasted energy. You execute the routine in test mode and watch for timing drift or mistaps over 3 runs. This reveals where adjustments are needed. If you see misses, increase delays by 10 to 50 milliseconds, tweak coordinates, then rerun until behavior is consistent. Once stable, run full sessions but monitor battery and temperature. If the app crashes or game disconnects, clear cache, reduce overlay permissions, or roll back to the prior stable APK. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most instability issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.